Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to enable Google Play Protect on your Android phone to keep your device safe and secure. Go to the Google Play Store app. This is the app where you download, install, and update all your applications. Now tap on your profile Bitmoji icon. This will open a menu with several options related to your account and app settings. From the list, find and tap on Play Protect. This feature helps protect your device by scanning apps for harmful behavior and security risks. After opening Play Protect, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Inside the settings page, you will see two toggle options. Scan apps with Play Protect. Improve harmful app detection. Turn on both toggle switches to fully enable Google Play Protect. When enabled, your device will automatically scan apps regularly and warn you if any harmful apps are detected. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and helpful tutorials.